Well, hello there, Retro PC Durham. It's Chris here with another Windows 98 PC video. I thought about putting this off for a little bit and putting some other things up on the bench here to talk about that I actually was really interested in talking about, but this one just kept gnawing at me. I wanted to do it before I take this system down and put it in the corner for a little bit. And that is to try something out on this machine. So we built it, we load Windows on it, we get it all up and running. You see I got a desktop theme up and running here now, but I wanted to play a game on it. And the game that I wanted to play is one that has actually been sitting around on my shelves, in boxes, for years and years and years. And it's this one right here that some of you may recognize. This is 3D Realms Shadow Warrior. This is a great game. If you never played this game, you should give it a try. I'm pretty sure you can actually pick it up on Steam these days, but basically it's a Doom clone. And it's hilarious and rude and on par, I would say, with the Duke, in terms of hilarity. So we're going to take this CD, we're going to put it into the computer, and we are going to install it and play it. Hopefully everything will work okay. As far as systems requirements are concerned, we have everything that we need. We have a minimum Pentium 66 megahertz or better processor. We have a minimum of 16 megabytes of RAM. We have a minimum of 60 megabytes of hard disk space free. We have a CD-ROM drive. We have a Sound Blaster compatible sound card. We have a VGA 256 color or better graphics card. We have a keyboard and mouse. And we have DOS 6.2 or better because we're running Windows. So we're going to see how this goes. I believe there should be an autoplay on this. And there's low Wang right there. One of the great things about this game from a gameplay perspective was just like the Duke in Duke Nukem 3D, he says stuff while you're playing, which is kind of funny. It's fun. You've got that interactions, right? You look at yourself in the mirror and say, damn, I'm looking good, right? Lo Wang also says stuff as well, which is different, and it was a kind of an add-on from, say, the Doom guy who, doesn't really say much of anything. The modern games, obviously, there's a lot of rip and tear comments going on, but in the original games, Doom and Doom 2, he doesn't say anything. So that was something that was interesting. So we're going to go through and do the installations here. We'll install to C:\/SW for Shadow Warrior. And we got that old style installation. Look at that, showing the speed in which you are transferring files, the speed at which the disk is being accessed. Wow. So amazing. All right, would you like to read the Shadow Warrior README file? No, I am going to pass. Oh, I'm going to open up these installation window first, I guess. I'm going to minimize you so I can say no to the README file. Do you want to run the Shadow Warrior setup program now? I will run it now. And let's see if we can get this done properly. The sound setup. So I want to choose a Sound Blaster. Yeah, sounds pretty good to me. I'm gonna turn the volume up a little bit here. So I can be sure that we're all hearing it correctly. And that's working fine. Okay, good. And then we're going to screen setup. We'll just do the 320 by 200. It's fine. Controller setup. So we're going to be up, down, left, right for movement, and fire is going to be left control, Auto run is caps lock. Open shift jump is going to be A. Crouch is going to be Z. Looking up and page down. Strafing left and right. It's going to be over here. All right. We'll see if we can remember all of this stuff. And then we've got the mouse buttons we can use. Left button to fire, right button to move, and middle button to move forward, which I don't have on this mouse. It's just a 2-button mouse. And then strafing is the right button. So we can do our fire and strafe. And then we can use the left and right to move forward, I guess. It's going to be, might be a little bit awkward. So we'll figure that out. And I guess we can save and launch Shadow Warrior. Here we go. Get right into it, folks. One of the other interesting things about this, if I remember correctly from this game, is you keep the CD, which a lot of games at this time you were supposed to keep the CD in as a copyright protection. There is also, I believe, music, like soundtracks that are on the CD. And you keep it in when you're playing the game, and that'll actually play throughout the game, the soundtrack music. Now I'm waiting for... Am I not seeing anything happen here? So I'm not sure if we've... I'm not sure if we've hung, or if something is loading very slowly. That might be the case, but it's... I don't have a command line option here. Let's maybe just no? Okay. Okay. I'm just going to terminate it, and we'll try this again. Here we go. I think it might have just been loading from the setup file, wasn't working properly.
You're no mess with Wang.
There he is. Oh, look at that 3D power. Okay. Now I will warn you. I want to warn you. Wang uses foul language. So please be prepared. Okay? All right, we have the 4-level shareware version, and then we have the 18 levels for full version only. So I'm going to go ahead and do I guess I'll do the full version, and we will...
Want some Wang?
We'll play...
Low Wang come for you, little snake coward. Bye. Row your boat gently down to the stream. Oh, I think my dinghy hanging out.
I have no idea where I'm going. Well, that's why there's a whirlpool there. Okay, I would have died. Wow. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my goodness, I had no idea what I was doing there. Okay, let's can we make some changes? Okay. I need to, run the setup program and make some changes to the keyboard setup. I'm so used to, as you may as well, I'm so used to using a mouse to move around that the settings were just not working for me. So I'm going to run the setup program again, and I'm going to make some adjustments here for movement. So we're going to oh, strafe is a... There, okay. And then we're gonna no. We're gonna make open. We're gonna turn open into, what are we gonna do? R. Run will be the shift keys. Auto run is caps lock. Jump is backspace, because this keyboard's got a backspace with the space bar. Z to crouch. And then I think that's okay for now. And then what I want to do for mouse is I want to change this so that left button is obviously fire, and the right button I want to be, well, look at all these things we can do. Look up. No, I want aim up. Okay, we're going to give this a try. Try it again. Let's see what I did wrong. I thought I was doing this right. I mean, I put my W, right? I put my movement here. I was trying to move forward and do my jump. And that did not seem to be working. And I don't know what, something about the mouse control, was that what I was doing wrong? Is I don't have anything in, I don't have a middle mouse button. So was that the problem? And the right button, obviously aim up, that was a bad idea. So maybe maybe we can set it up as a strafe toggle or a run toggle. We'll make it a run toggle. Let's try that and see if that works.
You're no mess with Lo Wang. Want some Wang?
I tell you, like...
Lo Wang comfort, you little snake coward. Hey! Row your boat gently down to the stream. Oh, I think my dinghy hanging out.
Okay. So what did we say? Got our Uzi here. Not having a... I have no idea what that was. Oh, that was interesting. Who's shooting at me? You silly man. Right. All right.
That was Mr. Wu.
Oh, Mr. John Woo. What did I just open? Secret door. Oh, I couldn't survive. My kill fest, I couldn't survive. No.
Go and comfort you, little.
All right, here we go. Time to. What do we want to do? We try some cheat codes. Because my honest memory of playing these games was always being like, what, 7 years old, and I wasn't good enough to be able to beat these games on my own. All right, what else do we have? We have I don't even know what that is. Ooh, sticky bombs, grenade launcher.
Revenge is dish best served raw. Internet Spencer Dick. You have no honor.
All right, so we have the sword, we have the shuriken, right? We have the chain gun. Well, it's not a chain gun, it's like a shotgun. Oh, it's like a triple shotgun. And then the Uzi or double Uzi. Here we go. Here we go. This looks good. I didn't... Oh, there we go.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1. All systems ready.
That was like a nuclear bomb. Oh, I remember this. Oh, yeah. You can shoot everybody with this. Oh, yeah. I had completely forgotten about some of this stuff from this game. The cool things you could do, the different weapons, how much fun they were. Sticky grenades. You walked up to them and they'll blow up, right? Those were always pretty cool. Oh, this is fun. Good memories. I'm guessing that was like, maybe that was some kind of... Oh, look. Ooh. It's like one of those guys. You can shoot fireballs. You hold his head and he shoots fireballs. Wang always has such silly things to say to everybody when he chops them and dices them into little pieces. Someone's shooting at me. Look at this fun stuff. You know you're gonna, like... You know you're gonna have fun with these guys. The reload animations. Like, how popular were reload animations? Fire trap? The fire trap that blows up those and kills you. It's pretty... I got turned around there. Am I going the right way? Come on, dude. He can't get through the door? I'm so bad. I'm so bad. Alright, anyways. This has been fun. I'll probably spend a lot more time playing through this over the next little while, knowing now that I have this and trying to figure out and remember how to play this game again. Man, do I ever suck. But it was fun to go down this trip down memory lane. I hope you enjoyed traveling down this trip down memory lane too. I look forward to seeing in the comments all the things that I did wrong and all of the secrets that I missed and everything else that I suck at in Shadow Warrior. And everything to do with it.
You and me, Mr. Fly.
Yes. This is when Wang gets impatient, he kills the fly. So, thanks. Stop interrupting me, Wang. So I hope you enjoyed following along with this, and I'll be sure to do another one of these videos once I've had the chance to get better at the game. But I tell you, this was a fun trip down memory lane. I loved playing this game when I was a kid, and fun to get this back up and running again. It would, kind of the whole reason why I wanted to put this computer together in the first place. So, hope you enjoyed the ride, and we'll stay tuned for the next videos in the coming weeks and months, and hopefully years into the future. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy out there, and we'll catch you in the next one.